back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a cleaning motivational video. I desperately needed to clean my house, and like little surfaces, the fingerprints on the glass and the TV stand right here were driving me absolutely nuts. A lot of times it's a little difficult. If you don't know, I am a single mom of a toddler who is 18 months old. Sometimes it can be pretty difficult to get things done and accomplished in a timely manner, I guess I should say. So if you guys want some cleaning motivation to get your butts in gear as far as cleaning your own house goes, then keep on watching. This is going to be to some motivational music, and I'm probably going to pop in here and there, but I just wanted to show you guys what I pretty much do when I need to revamp and restart and just feel really good about my house. I have to dust and get all the smudge marks off of the mirrors and doors, and it makes me feel so much better. So don't mind me. I'm legit cleaning mode and gross no makeup face. Make sure you guys give this video a thumbs up if you like cleaning routine videos, and make sure you are subscribed. I do all kinds of mommy and baby videos and vlogs and daily vlogs. Bye. She's saying bye because she wants to get going. All right, let's jump right into the video.
Like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Way oh, oh. You got me singing. Way oh, oh. You look like a guy, you could treat me right. Way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? Way oh, oh. I could be the best thing in your life. Take a drive. Way oh, oh, oh. drive, take a drive. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh. Way oh, way oh, oh, oh. Way oh, way oh, oh. Boy, take a chance, will you let me ride? I could be the best thing in your life. Baby, let's take a drive, take a drive.
right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning routine, cleaning. All right, you guys, I hope you enjoy All right, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this cleaning motivational video. If you did, again, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. I'll see you guys in my next video.
Bye.
Bye. Mwah. Aw, you're so sweet.